100 pull-ups. हाथ घस रहे हैं, so we're gonna use gloves here. Oh, 39. $46. I'm down with 52 pull-ups and I might want to go for one more set. I'll try and complete 60, then I'll move to double bar because बहुत ज़्यादा ही pump आ रहा है and feeling the muscles are getting tired. So gradually we'll improve that. We will come a day wherein 100 should be very easy for us. We might want to increase that 100 to something more than 100. But yeah, but for now I'm gonna stop at 60. I will continue 100, but थोड़ा सा मैं chest pump कर लूँगा, so it's gonna be easy. Okay. The whole fucking target should be to do 100 pull-ups and 100 double bar and 100 squats. That's it. How you do it doesn't matter though. But doing it all in one variation, like in one go, that is something that will help you achieve core strength and increase your endurance as well. So I'm gonna give up at 60 right now, 60 pull-ups, and then I'll start do double bar. Let's see if वो 100 होता है कि नहीं. वो नहीं होगा तो again we'll stop and then we'll switch to squats. Okay, but we're gonna do 100 for sure. Yeah, 60 done. Guys, I was supposed to give up at 60, but see that the pre-workout, or rather you can say that rip fire that we have taken, it's really working out because I'm on 77 right now. So there's a possibility I'll complete 100 here, and then I'll move to the double bar. Done with 95, 5 more to go, and we'll be done with 100. Take a good angle for my double bar. Good enough. So once I'm done with the pull-ups, I get rid of the gloves. This is for double bar. I love the word bar. It's a good help, it's a good support, and if you're a light one like 50, 60, 70 kilo guy, It's good, not bad, but considering if you're 85 plus, 80 kilos, 85 kilo plus, then I think this is going to be very helpful because you can train your muscles and everything, but wrist to wrist hai na, so helps you reduce, prevent injuries. Let's go with the first set. Done. Hope you can see. It's written 100 double bar. We're done with 11 though. Let's kill it. Let's kill 100. $25 done. I've already given you a tour of my gym, how it looks like. Let me show you again. Double bar, pull-ups, punching bag. It's my double XL mirror. Yeah, that's crazy. Then we've got, now if you guys are wondering what are those cans doing there, I'm going to use that for doing farmer walk. So I'm sure everyone knows what is farmer walk. You hold those cans and you just walk. Okay, you can do lunges as well with that. So that's for my farm walk. Abhi filhal ke liye I'm doing it with water, but with time, when I'm able to push myself a little more harder, मैं उसमें रेत भर दूंगा. रेत या तो फिर छोटे छोटे पत्थर भर के एकदम heavy कर दूंगा उसको. So that should test me on another level. Okay, and someday we're gonna do this farmer walk and lunges on this road. So this is where I live. My house looks just like that, but unfortunately we don't have the roads here. The builder haven't made the road yet, so that's the problem. So probably we were expecting this to happen in the Diwali. Nahi hua, but koi nahi. Hopefully it should happen in the next month or two. We're expecting by 21 हमारा road बन जाएगा. Once the road is done, there are a lot of fun stuff that I'm planning to do. Of course, early morning free lunges, farmer walk, and I have my neighbor's kid who's learning skating. I would like to learn that as well. So maybe join karunga. I'll buy skates from Decathlon and I'll also try and learn. That should also help. Obviously, it's gonna be a help to my cardiovascular exercises and in addition to the skill for myself. 45. Done. I'm down with 80 double bar, 20 more to go, so probably in 2 or 3 sets I'll be able to do that. Some crazy stuff that I do while working out, I would like to show. Oh my god. I'm fucking done with 100 pull-ups and 100 double bar. That's an amazing start for my journey. Yeah, considering I am a guy who likes to work out, जैसा आप देख सकते हो मेरे को जिम जाने को टाइम नहीं, तो मैंने घर में छोटा सा जिम बना रखा है. But still, it's difficult to go for a transformation wherein you want to build yourself again and build yourself better. It's difficult, but still, it's good that I'm managing. And like one of the athletes, IFBB athletes, have told me in his video, like not me exactly, but yeah, I watched this video. He's like, no matter whatever you're doing, what really matters is you set up a goal. Without a goal, you will not be able to achieve anything. No matter what are you planning for, whether that be a transformation for a competition or just for your personal interest. So कुछ भी करना है. I think his name is जुनैद कालीवाला. या जुनैद कालीवाला ने बोला था कि मतलब आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, it's your personal growth, if your personal interest in making a better body or you're preparing for a competition, you need to have a timeline. There are a few things he told. One is a timeline, and second, set up a goal, and then follow your diet. If you're able to do these three things, which is not that easy, trust me. When you said, जैसे मैंने सोचा था 1 तारीख से स्टार्ट करूँगा, but it didn't work out well. 1 तारीख से स्टार्ट करना था, दिवाली आ गई, everything got fucked up. Now I'm starting on the 8th, so not bad, it's okay. देर आए दुरुस्त है जब भी, but yeah, it's a very good day and a very good pump. Double bar is done, pull-ups is done. अब मैं free squats 10 set मारने वाला हूँ. So I will not be covering the entire thing because already 18-20 मिनट की वीडियो हो गई है. So I don't want to bore you guys out. और मुझे भी बहुत बोर हो रहा है. First time I'm doing this, I'm shooting and working out. So थोड़ा सा इतनी देर में शायद सब हो जाता है, but because I'm shooting also तो बार बार ये मगजमारी थोड़ी हो जाती है. But nevertheless, like I said, all of this is for me, my personal interest and my memory. I want to show it to my son, to myself, that I tried something and I did it. And what better to save things, yeah, apart from YouTube. So I don't think apart from YouTube there is nothing else. If you're wondering कहाँ से कुत्ता भौंक रहा है, मेरे घर के बगल में 2 German Shepherds. They're huge. Someday we'll cover them. You know, that crazy animals. You might want to see them and you will love them. Oh, they're out. Let's check. Can you see that? अभी अंदर गया वो. It's a huge animal. German Shepherd. Without leash though. His owner, he's trained well. There are 2. One is a female German and one is a male German. The male one is more tame. Female, of course, less tamed. As usual in the real life as well. Just kidding. So, yeah. Abhi free squats करूँगा. I will try my best to do 100. 100 is not that difficult because 15-20 तो हो जाते एक सेट में, तो 5 सेट में हो जाना चाहिए. ज़्यादा से 6-7 सेट में हो जाएगा. All of this is a little difficult, you know, when pulling up your entire weight just with your hands, and considering अभी pull-ups मारा 100 और फिर वापस 100 double bar मारने with the same hands, it's difficult. But squat I think हो जाएगा. उसके बाद I'll show you what I'm going to do, and then I'll close the video, and then I'll show you what diet I'm taking. Okay, so free squats 100 में करने वाला, एकदम simple basic. Okay. just feel that you're holding a sword. Just feel that you're holding a sword in front of you. You know, like sword, talwar, and you're going down. So guys, 20 हो चुके मेरे, 20 मैंने मार लिए. Real easy, real quick. I'm sure 100 should not be a trouble. Even if it's, we'll try and complete it. Once I'm done with that, I'll show you what I do to burn some fats, and which is the major trouble for us, which is the side tires. To burn those side tires, this is what I'm going to do. So when I do those kicks, there's a lot of pressure that comes here. So again, I'm not planning to become a trained fighter or neither an MMA guy, but because I'm so much into MMA and boxing and stuff, that's why my workouts, I'm including all of this as well. So like I said, this is just to burn the fats and of course get some power in your kicks as well. It's a good workout. Try. You get this punching bag on OLX. Don't go for new one. The new one would cost you around 2,500, 3,000 something. Rather, you can go for something in OLX. You can get it for 700-800. वो भी अच्छे से भरा हुआ मिलता है. Because one of my friends just got it. And yeah, ये setup तो सब hardly 2,000 में हो जाएगा. And you can have a punching bag just to make sure that you have you're practicing speed, practicing strength, and at the same time you are super agile. Okay, let me show you again what I'm going to do, and then we will close the video. Alright guys, I'll see you in my diet in a few minutes. Bye bye.